Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam. Today's topic is cyber journalism. What is cyber journalism? Cyber journalism or digital journalism, also known as ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म, यानी कि अगर जब भी साइबर जर्नलिज्म या डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म या ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म या कहें कि वेब जर्नलिज्म या न्यू मीडिया की बात आए तो कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, क्योंकि ये सभी एक ही हैं। इसीलिए मैंने इस लेक्चर में आपको बताने की कोशिश की है कि साइबर जर्नलिज्म क्या है। इससे पहले हम डिजिटल, ऑनलाइन, वेब मीडिया, न्यू मीडिया को जान चुके हैं। तो आज हम जानेंगे कि साइबर जर्नलिज्म क्या है। तो साइबर जर्नलिज्म और डिजिटल जर्नलिज्म, ऑल्सो नोन एज ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म और वेब जर्नलिज्म और न्यू मीडिया जर्नलिज्म, is a contemporary form of journalism where editorial content is distributed via the internet as opposed to publishing via print or broadcast. The primary product of journalism, which is news and features on current affairs, is presented solely or in combination as text, audio, video, or some interactive forms like news games and disseminated through digital media technology. Fewer barriers to entry, lower distribution costs, and diverse computer networking technologies have led to widespread practice of cyber journalism. It has democratized the flow of information that was previously controlled by traditional media, including newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. A greater degree of creativity can be exercised with cyber journalism when compared to traditional journalism and traditional media. Early days. The first type of online journalism, called teletext, was invented in the UK in 1970. Teletext is a system allowing viewers to choose which stories they wish to read and see it immediately. The information provided through teletext is brief and instant, similar to the information seen in online journalism today. The information was broadcast between the frames of a television signal in what was called the vertical blanking interval, or VBI. After the invention of teletext was the invention of video text, of which Prestel was the world's first system, launching commercially in 1979 with various British newspapers such as the Financial Times lining up to deliver newspaper stories online through it. Video text closed down in 1986 due to failing to meet an user demand. American newspaper companies took notice of the new technology and created their own video text systems, the largest and most ambitious being Viewthrone, a service of night reader launched in 1981. Others were Keycom in Chicago and Gateway in Los Angeles. All of them had closed by 1986. Online journalism allows for connection and discussion at levels that print does not offer on its own. People can comment on articles and start discussion boards to discuss articles. Before the internet, spontaneous discussion between readers who had never met was impossible. The process of discussion a news item is a big portion of what makes for online journalism. People add to the story and connect with other people who want to discuss the topic. Online journalism creates an opportunity for niche audiences, allowing people to have more options as to what to view and read. Online journalism opens up new ways of storytelling through the technical components of the new medium. Online journalists can provide a variety of media such as audio, video, and digital photography. Online journalism or cyber journalism represents a revolving of how news is consumed by society. Cyber journalism are able to provide quick, efficient, and accurate reporting of breaking news in a matter of seconds, providing society with a synopsis of events as they occur. Throughout the development of the event, journalists are able to feed online sources the informational keeping readers up to date in milliseconds. The speed in which a story can be posted can't affect and accuracy of the reporting in a way that does not usually happen in print journalism. Before the emergence of online journalism, the printing process took much more time, allowing for the discovery and correction of errors. Thank you.